Hey guys! Today, we have some new survival gadgets that you must have before heading outdoors. So, let's begin. Behold the magnificent Crossfire plasma lighter, a true testament to survival ingenuity. With the ability to ignite up to 350,000 times, this lighter guarantees 500 lights per charge, providing a long-lasting flame for your survival needs. Its plasma technology makes it waterproof, windproof, and resilient against challenging conditions. Say goodbye to the hassle of refilling fuel, as this lighter is USB rechargeable, eliminating the worry of running out of power. In emergencies, the built-in ice and glass breaker allows you to swiftly navigate through windows and icy barriers. Additionally, the attached storage container is perfect for carrying fuel, such as Instafire, ensuring you have a reliable fire-starting source on hand. The Crossfire plasma lighter is an indispensable tool, delivering durability, convenience, and versatility for survival scenarios. Path 22, a survival-centric marvel that redefines the compass experience with its elegant, minimalist design. Embodying the essence of a powerful mini compass in its most refined form, it liberates you from the burden of cumbersome compasses in your everyday carry, offering a simpler and more streamlined life. Built with exceptional durability, it thrives in the face of nature's toughest challenges, remaining unbreakable and unwaveringly dependable even in the harshest environments. Whether it's guiding you through uncharted territories or serving as a vital navigational tool in your survival kit, it stands as a symbol of resilience and reliability. With its captivating simplicity and unwavering functionality, this compass becomes your unwavering companion, ensuring you find your path and conquer the wilderness with unwavering confidence. BugLit Micro Flashlight, a must-have survival gear due to its deceptive yet powerful features. This compact task light may look cute, but it packs a punch with its versatile gear tie legs that can be bent and wrapped to secure the light in any desired position. Encased in a durable polycarbonate plastic housing, the BugLit offers 4 functions and emits a bright white LED light that can illuminate up to 50 feet ahead, providing essential visibility in survival situations. Its fully moldable legs allow for various configurations, making it easy to sit, stand, store, or shine the flashlight wherever needed. With its lightweight and convenient S-binder clip, the BugLit can be attached to zippers or keys for quick and easy access, making it an indispensable tool in any survival scenario. The Procamp Fast Fire Stick, a true survivalist gem, redefines fire starting with its portable, packable, and efficient design. This versatile tinder ignites swiftly through various methods, from flint sparks to embers, ferrocerium rods, lighters, and matches. Even when your trusty lighter runs dry, this fire stick will ignite with a simple flint spark. With exceptional weather resistance and long-term storability, it stands as one of the most reliable fire-starting tinders available, combining flash ignition, long-burning properties, and durability. Handmade to perfection, it excels in diverse weather conditions, offering optimal performance when you need it most. The compact and soft texture design allows for easy cutting and processing, making it a breeze to ignite. To top it off, the non-toxic wrapper burns along with the tinder, leaving no trace behind. The Rhino Ready Companion version 2 is the world's most advanced 2-person 72-hour emergency survival system, designed to tackle the increasing frequency and intensity of disasters such as floods, fires, hurricanes, and earthquakes. Drawing upon the expertise of first responders, survivalists, and designers, the Companion is a meticulously crafted product with the sole purpose of saving lives. It combines unmatched organization, superior quality, and quick access, ensuring that you are fully prepared to face whatever challenges life throws your way. With the Companion by your side, equipped with essential supplies, you gain a lifeline when first responders are stretched thin or unable to reach affected areas, making it the ultimate survival tool that can mean the difference between life and death. Next up, the S.O.L Phoenix, a quintessential multi-purpose survival tool crafted to conquer the wilderness with unparalleled versatility. Compact and essential, this extraordinary tool encompasses a myriad of life-saving features designed for survival-centric adventures. At its core, a retractable flint ignites flames with remarkable efficiency, surpassing all multi-purpose flint and steel strikers in compactness and reliability. Accompanying this luminous ignition is a multi-tool knife, boasting a serrated blade that doubles as a striker, while also hosting a bottle opener, a range of wrench sizes, and a flathead screwdriver. Shed light on your path with the LED light, illuminating both tinder and your surroundings, while the convenient belt clip allows for easy attachment to your gear or hat, transforming it into a headlamp. Whether you're preparing for the wilderness or trying to survive it, the Hogue Knives EXT01 is ready to assist you. Engineered to excel in tactical and outdoor situations, its skeletonized S7 tool steel head ensures a lightweight yet shock-resistant build. The tough G10 handle scales provide a secure grip and exceptional resistance to chemicals and moisture, enabling reliable performance in demanding environments. For convenient carry, the G10 sheath features embedded magnets, ensuring both security and swift access. With compatibility for various head attachments, the EXT01 allows customization to suit diverse survival needs. This is Magcuter, a captivating marvel that blends survival ingenuity with magnetic enchantment. Like a hidden treasure, this sleek and compact cutting tool boasts a keychain-friendly design, always ready to emerge from the shadows with its concealed cutter. It unveils its secrets with a magnetic quick-release feature, setting it apart as a beacon of practicality for all your on-the-go cutting needs. With a swift pop and a magnetic embrace, it unveils its cutting prowess, effortlessly tackling everyday tasks with grace and accuracy. Compact and lightweight, this mesmerizing gadget finds solace in any setting, attaching effortlessly to your gear or slipping into the depths of your pocket. Magcuter, the fusion of survival and magnetism, ensures you are always prepared to conquer the wilderness of the everyday. The Bugout Frag is an extraordinary survival tool designed to revolutionize the concept of preparedness. Inspired by military-grade ammunition containers, this compact and rugged container houses essential survival gear to aid you in critical situations. With its unique design and sturdy construction, it offers a discreet and convenient solution for emergency preparedness. Inside, you'll find a carefully curated selection of tools and supplies, including fire starters, a multi-tool, first aid items, and more, all neatly organized for quick access. Whether you're facing natural disasters or wilderness adventures, it ensures you have the necessary tools to navigate and survive challenging circumstances. Its compact size allows for easy transport and discreet storage. The OffGrid Tools Pro Survival Axe Elite is the ultimate multi-tool designed to handle any situation you might encounter. It boasts an all-steel full tang and axe head, along with a durable yet lightweight glass-filled nylon handle. The hatchet blade is resharpenable and perfect for chopping, clearing debris, or demolition, while the hammerhead and claw are ideal for pounding intense stakes or repairing equipment. Additionally, the gas valve shutoff wrench with a built-in bottle opener adds extra utility. Compact at only 11 inches long and weighing just over 1.5 pounds, this survival axe can deliver significant impact while remaining portable enough to fit in a glove box or bug-out bag. With its versatile functionality and sturdy construction, this tool is perfect for every survivalist or adventurer. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or facing emergency situations, the MyMedic Recon First Aid Kit is your reliable companion, ready to deliver life-saving care. This re-engineered kit combines functionality with over 250 hand-picked high-quality first aid and trauma supplies, meeting the standards of first responders and medical professionals. Built to military standards, the durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. The upgraded features include back padding for comfort, stowable shoulder straps with seatbelt-style webbing for versatile storage options, quick access front pockets for easy retrieval of trauma and everyday use items, and a fully modular organization system with interior mesh pockets for efficient organization. With HSA and FSA approval, this kit offers elevated first aid capabilities for survival scenarios. The Hogue Sauer EXF03 is a next-level survival gear essential made to deliver exceptional performance in challenging situations. This fixed-blade knife features a 2¼ hawkbill blade with a flat dark earth PVD finish, providing durability and style. The solid black G10 scales with mini piranha texture offer a secure grip, ensuring precise handling. It comes with a quick-deploying nylon belt sheath with a rotating belt clip for convenient access, as well as a Boltaron knife neck sheath with paracord for additional carrying options. The 154 cm stainless steel blade is cryogenically heat-treated, resulting in a hardness of 57 to 59 HRC. The FDE PVD finish adds corrosion resistance, while the hollow flat grind and hand-honed edge ensure optimal cutting performance. This is the TOPS Atax, an ultimate survival tool that combines the versatility of an axe, knife, skinner, wire cutter, and more. This versatile solution also serves as a rangefinder, compass, inclinometer, and clock, ensuring you stay oriented and on schedule. With its hardened 1095 high-carbon alloy blade and black linen micarta handle, it's built to handle tough tasks. The Atax is a true survival-centric powerhouse, featuring a custom form-fitted Kydex belt carry sheath for easy access. Whether you need to start a fire, navigate challenging terrain, or perform rescue operations, the TOPS Atax is your reliable companion, providing the tools you need to thrive in any survival situation. Next, the Eaton FRX3+. It is a reliable survival radio that is designed to keep you connected and powered up in critical situations. With its multiple power sources, including solar panels and hand-crank generators, you will never be without access to vital information. Stay informed with the built-in weather radios, and the bright LED flashlight ensures visibility in the darkest moments. The emergency phone charger keeps your devices powered, while the digital alarm clock maintains a sense of time. Compact and portable, the FRX3+ is a survival-centric tool that provides essential communication, power, and illumination when you need it most. The Gerber Stake Out is a survival-centric powerhouse, purpose-built to handle the critical tasks encountered in outdoor survival scenarios. With its 11 essential tools, it empowers you to maintain your well-being, repair equipment, cook meals, and efficiently manage your surroundings. From tending to your body and gear to organizing your campsite, the Stake Out ensures you have the tools needed to thrive in challenging situations. Compact and reliable, it is the ultimate companion for survivalists, offering the versatility and functionality required to overcome obstacles and emerge victorious in any survival scenario. So that is all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.